Hey guys, here with old man Thatcher, who just turned 2 the other day, and we just got in another one of his little toys. They're pretty awesome. We've been playing with them a little bit. It's these little cartoon friction cars, and he loves them. Do you like them?
Yeah.
You like them? Are they good trucks?
Yeah, good truck.
You want to show them some of your trucks?
Yeah,
You show them. Go ahead and play with them. Whoa, they're pretty neat. Can you show them the rest of them? Whoa, pretty cool trucks, huh? You got any more you want to show them?
This one.
Whoa, they're pretty cool. Hey Thatcher boy, you want to show them what they can do? Whoa! You want to push them and show them? They're pretty cool, aren't they? Can you help you? Help you? So you just take them, push down and let them go. And they just keep going. Whoa! And they just keep going. So you do it like this. Whoa!
Get it.
You get it! Come here. You gonna push it to me? Oh! Do you like your trucks?
Get it.
Oh, you gonna get that one? Come here, bring it over here. You push them? Oh! You can see they just keep going. Uh-oh. They just keep going. You like that one?
Yeah, this.
That one? What noises do they make?
This.
What does it do?
Ha.
What?
Ha.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do they make noise?
Yeah, noise.
What does it do? It goes vroom. Whoa.
Like you.
It's like a vacuum?
Yeah, vacuum.
Oh my. Does it keep going?
Yeah. Daddy,
Whoa. Does it go super fast?
yeah,
Super fast. They're pretty cool. Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite? Yeah. Can you grab which one's your favorite? Show me which one's your favorite one. That one's your favorite? What's cool about it?
Vacuum.
Is that your cool one?
Come on.
What's your favorite one? Yeah. What's the cool one? Let's go.
Favorite.
Press down. You press down and then push. Can you push one to me? Press down and push. Good job. Shoot, Tutor.
Yeah.
Oh my. Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Hope you had fun.
Bye-bye. 5, 6, 7.